The 51st participant in the Silva challenge is Cecil over at Cecil's Diecast. Let's see what we can get together for him. Oh man, I can't remember the name of this casting, and I've actually restored a couple of them. This one, the glass should pop open on it. It looks like the glass is cracked on this side. That could be why it's not. Anyhow, metal body, metal top. I'm sure, I have a feeling this is going to be one of those videos where you all are watching and yelling the names of the castings at me, and I can't remember any of them. But that's nothing new. That has a cool futuristic look to it, just to start off with. And it's not too fantasy looking, if you know what I mean. Some things are, some things aren't. This is a McDonald's version of this casting, plastic bottom. Yeah, Hot Wheels manufactured for McDonald's. Huh. That's kind of cool. Throw that in there. This time I definitely want to remember to throw some aircraft in there. So I've got a helicopter here. The ever popular, highly chromed police helicopter. Because we all see chrome police helicopters all the time. These rotor blades. I don't know if they want to spin. It looks like they should spin separately. I mean, they shouldn't be like glued together. But I hate to force it too much. But anyhow, yeah, how about a helicopter, Cecil? Some people have done some cool gas lens builds with like helicopter bodies and on other casting. I think Santa Slow Dog has one for Jody Sims' Death Race 2025 that is about to launch. That launches around the middle of July. Be sure and check out Jody's channel if you want to find out more information to participate in that. The engine on this is cool. I don't know about the rat body. But, well, yeah, it's a rat. It's an odd-looking rat. But the tail gives it away, I guess. What else do we have? Okay, here we go. Deuce Roadster, right? Yeah, Deuce Roadster. That purple interior, man, this almost looks like a Joker mobile. Like Batman and the Joker kind of thing. The Spine Buster. That's another Hot Wheels. The matte black finish on this is kind of cool. Skull on the front. You could do something cool with that, Cecil. I'm sure you'll come up with something for that. I need to figure out the best way to put these in here so I can maximize the amount of crap I can put in the box. Here we go. A Woody that's not a Woody. It has the wood grain on the sides, like embossed into the sides, but the color gives it away. Wow. Yeah, that color combination leaves a lot to be desired. Yeah, there's obviously a lot of fantasy castings in here. The Hammer Down. Oh! It's a hammerhead shark. Man, I never would have guessed that. If it wasn't for the name and you had asked me what that was, that would not have been my first choice. Eesh. Manufactured for McDonald's Corp. Another McDonald's. This looks like a tuned kind of casting. Ugly as all get out. Man. But you know, you throw some guns on that thing, a skull on the front, and you're rocking. No? What else is in here? What's that? The horseplay. You got weird stains on the glass. It has like horses on the side, obviously because of the name, but I don't know, logically designing it, why are the horses looking backward as the car's going forward? Wouldn't you want the horses looking forward? How about a boat? Let's do a different boat. I got lots of boats in here. How about an old Matchbox police launch boat? It actually has the dudes in the back. That could be kind of cool. At least you could use the dudes for something. I'll try and put it so they don't get messed up. At least too badly. Eesh. You gotta love how they come up with the names for these. Formulator with the number 8. It's supposed to be, I guess, based on a Formula 1 car? Kind of, sort of, maybe? Wow. I've got chunks of castings in here. Oh, here we go. Let's put some farm equipment in here. Matchbox. Track 1600 Turbo. Chieftain Turbo. Fuzz all over this thing. Plastic body, metal top, metal cab. Tires are great. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that'll work. The Moray skateboards. Moray skateboards, Mach 97, 97. Metal body, metal base. I mean, that's a solid casting. Huh. Oh, here. Man, that's... I should just throw this in the trash. Plastic body, plastic base. Made in China. Nothing to it. Okay, let's see if we can find a different kind of truck to throw in there. There's another rat mobile. Oh, how about that? There we go. Okay, this one is going away. Okay. This is like a Speedy Graffiti, Hot Wheels. It looks like a party van. I mean, you would have thought it was an ambulance if it... Oh, the front's broken on that. Yeah, stick a gun out through there. Yeah, Speedy Graffiti. Okay. That's at least like a halfway decent casting as far as normalcy. Hey, here we go. Let's throw an old Blackwall Hot Firebird, or Hotbird in there, right? Hotbird, yeah. With the T-tops, all you need is the bird on the hood. Come on, you know these old Firebirds are going to survive the apocalypse. I never noticed this before, but the seats seem really forward on that compared to like the back seats and the T-top. Huh. Yeah, well, that one's going in there. A nice old Blackwall. Not in the best shape, but hey, it's a Silva challenge. Matchbox delivery truck. Yeah, you can put anything you want on the back of that. So that'll work. You know. Wow, there's another terrible casting. It's like plastic, plastic, plastic. Look at those wheels. Nope. That's gone away. Nope. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is a Hot Wheels limited grip. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Definitely you could do something with that. I like that. I like the little wing on the cab. That's neat. I think I've just got a tiny little... Oh, wait a second. Oh man, I do have to drop. Nah, I do have to drop that in there, but I'm just not seeing the room for it. I don't know, Cecil. What do you think? You think that's enough to work with? Man, there's like all kinds of fuzz on these things. Just like a little lint. I don't know if that's going to fit in there. Yeah. What the heck is this? Spheron. Wow. Don't know who makes it, what it's supposed to be. This could be something ultra rare and valuable. Probably not. Will that fit? That wants to fit. That fits. Okay. I think that's it for the castings. And I've got a bunch of resin printed parts from Lee over at Time Rider's Wee Little Cars, and a bunch of little skulls as well from Joel over at Radio Flyer Diecast. I'm going to put that in there just like that in that bag. Hopefully that keeps it together kind of well. And then I've got a bunch of other stuff that I printed that is FDM printed. It's not quite as fragile as resin printed stuff. So let's just dump that in here. I mean, there's skulls. There's skulls. There's exhausts. There's all kinds of stuff. So I think that's it, Cecil. Have fun with it. Yeah, have fun with it. It's a box full of odds and ends and weird stuff, and yeah. Everybody, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Cecil, I hope you have a great time building something out of this box. Everybody, stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.